QBasic. BASIC is a general purpose programming language. BASIC stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. As it is a computer language for the beginners, it is very easy to learn. It was developed by John Kemeny and Thomas Kurtz at the Dartmouth College in United States of America in 1964. Later, another MS-DOS based version of BASIC called GW Basic was developed by Paul Allen and Bill Gates, which was further enhanced to work in Windows environment and is termed as QBasic. QBasic stands for Quick Basic. Features of QBasic language. Each programming language has some specific features. QBasic has the following features. 1. QBasic is a high-level language, which means that it uses English-like commands and keywords. It is very easy to learn and user-friendly. 2. QBasic has an interpreter, which means that it reads each line of a program, translates it into machine language, and gets the computer to perform it. 3. The QBasic environment includes a full syntax checking editor, multiple and multi-window editing capabilities, and full debugging facilities. 4. It uses pull-down menus and a simple yet powerful menu structure that can be driven through either the keyboard or a mouse. Modes of working in QBasic. In QBasic, we can either write programs to work with numbers and text, or with pictures and sound. To work with numbers and text, QBasic provides text mode, and to work with graphics and sound, QBasic provides graphics mode. Text mode. The text mode is the default mode in which normally all text graphics mode. In the graphics mode, the computer monitor is virtually divided into small dots called pixels across height and width of the computer screen. Graphic images are formed by joining closely packed pixels. Getting started with QBasic. To start QBasic in Windows, follow the steps given. Step 1. Click on Start Programs. Step 2. Click on Microsoft Quick Basic. You will get the window with the screen shown below. Components of QBasic Editor. The QBasic Editor has a menu bar which has the following options: File, Edit, View, Search, Run, Debug, Options, Help. These options are utilized once the program has been written. To use these menu options, you have to press the key letter, that is, the first letter of the desired options along with Alt key. For example, to use the File option, you press the letter F along with the Alt key. A menu drops down, which is also known as the drop-down menu. You can access the desired option of a sub-menu either by striking the letter of the desired option or by scrolling up and down using the cursor keys and then pressing the Enter key. The blank file in the editor is marked as Untitled, which appears just below the menu bar. When we save our program by a name, then Untitled is replaced by the given name. Basic operations in QBasic Editor. Creating a new program file. All programs in QBasic are written on a file. To create a new file for writing a new program, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the File menu or press Alt F. Step 2. Click on New option. A new file will appear on the screen. Saving a program. Program files need to be saved for future use. To save a program, use the following steps. Step 1. Click on the File menu. Step 2. Click on Save option. The Save dialog box will appear. Step 3. Enter the name of the program and specify the drive directory in which you want to save it. Step 4. Click on OK. Note: any program saved in QBasic is automatically assigned .bas extension. Opening pre-written programs. We can open a saved program file by using the following steps. Step 1. Click on the File menu. Step 2. Click on Open option. The Open dialog box will appear. Step 3. Select the name of the program file from the drive directory listing or type the name of the file which you want to open. Step 4. Click on OK. The file will be opened on the screen. Viewing programs. Using View menu, you can view a program in different ways. Using the Split option, you can split the editor screen into two parts and view different sections of a program in the splits. For example, you can view the subroutines used in a program in one part of the screen using the subs option and the remaining statements in the other part of the screen. This option helps you to find missing statements in a program or to find mistakes in your program. View menu is also used to view the output screen of the program. The shortcut key for it is F4. Editing a program. While typing a program, many a times you need to edit some statements of the program. Like, at times you need to delete some commands or correct some misspelled words, or may need to repeat some commands in the program. For all these repetitive and commonly used tasks, you can make use of the command options provided in the Edit menu. Edit menu provides the following options. Executing a program. To run a QBasic program, click the word Run on QBasic's menu at the top of the screen. Now you will see a menu with a list of selections: Start, Restart, and Continue. Click on Start to run your program. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a message. Press any key to continue. Press Enter to get back to QBasic. This is QBasic's way of giving you enough time to see what your program did. You can also run the program by pressing the F5 function key. Control plus pause or break ends an unending program. Debugging a program. The syntactic rules for each language determines whether the command is in the proper form. When a program violates the syntax rules, the compiler will generate an error message and will stop the compilation process. Debugging means removing errors from a program so that it executes successfully and produces the required outputs. 1. Syntax errors. Syntax errors occur when the syntax rules of the programming language are violated. That is, we commit a mistake in typing a command or misspell a keyword or write an incomplete command. QBasic is an interpreter, so it detects these syntax errors as we type the program. Example: the following statement will produce a syntax error as there should be a space after the print keyword. Print X. 2. Runtime errors. Runtime errors occur when a command or a statement tries carrying out an operation that is impossible, like dividing by 0 or calling a non-existent file. Example: the following statement will produce a runtime error if the value of y is 0. Print x oblique y. Third, logic errors. The logic error is said to occur when the code doesn't work as expected. This is because of flaws in the logic used in coding. The only way to fix this type of error is by testing and analyzing your code. Debugging tools in QBasic. QBasic provides a very good tool to remove the above mentioned errors in a program. You can easily use them once you are familiar with their use and the icons to invoke them. Let us learn about them. Option name, description. Step allows to run the program step by step and thus helps you to trace the value of variables and expressions at each step of execution. Set breakpoints. Stops execution of a program temporarily. Click the Continue button to resume running the program. Immediate window. The immediate window allows you to execute code or query values while the application is in break mode. Displays the current value of the expression. The cursor is on while in break mode. Printing a program. You can take printout of a program using the print option available in the File menu by following the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the File menu. Step 2. Click on Print option. The Print dialog box will appear. Step 3. Select the name of the program file from the Drive directory listing or type the name of the file which you want to print. Make sure that the printer is attached to your computer. Step 4. Click on OK. The program file will be printed on the paper. Exiting from QBasic. If you need to leave QBasic, you can click on File menu and then click on Exit option to exit the QBasic program. Getting help. QBasic Editor provides a help file called QBasic HLP, which provides description of all the commands and programming constructs of QBasic language. The help file can be read by clicking on the Help menu. The menu provides the following options. Index. This option provides an index of all the commands and statements available in QBasic, arranged in alphabetical order. The details of a command can be viewed by clicking on the desired command. Contents. This option provides the detailed contents of the QBasic language arranged in the logical order by topic. Working with commands in QBasic Editor. CLS command. CLS command clears the output screen. It is suggested to put this command at the beginning of each program to clear previous programs' outputs and prompts. To use it, simply type CLS in the editor. Syntax CLS. End of chapter. Click here to go to the next chapter.